Okay, do we know what is called Arduino? Arduino is simply a development board whereby you can program your chip and then use it to automate devices and use it to do a lot of things like controlling of your monitoring flow system and programming of many devices and sensors. And then we come up with a innovation that we don't need to be importing Arduino whenever we want to make design. We need to have our own local Arduino. That's why we went into this. And this is what we call Arduino. It's an improved version of this, in that it has inside it you have a space whereby you can interface it with the GSM modem, you can interface it with PM5324, and you can interface it with other sensors. And currently I'm working on two projects. First, I'm working on attendance management system using C#. I'm a C# programmer, and I also program with assembly language. So currently we are working on attendance management system. I'm working on attendance management system whereby each person that belongs to this hub will have an ID card, and each ID card has RFID. Thereby, when each and every one of them comes in, it tenders in the ID card for authentication to avoid unnecessary intruders. Then, lastly, I'm working on a gas leakage detector, which has the capacity to send SMS whether to the fire service whenever there is fire outbreak. It contains gas leakage detector and smoke sensor. So that's what I'm working on.
Okay, thank you. Well, I have to ask him, thank you very much, Christian. I have to ask if people know what's called Arduino, because we don't want a situation where we'll be talking jargons, okay? So we'll know which level to take it off. Okay, you must have had smartphones, you must have had industrial automation. So Arduino board is basically a small open source hardware that runs on a microcontroller that can help you automate processes. That's just it in a nutshell. So you program it using the C++ language, then it does one or two things you want it to do. Please, can we take some questions? I want this to be more interactive if possible. Don't be shy. Please, there's no... Sorry?
Why not allow us go around first before we take questions? Because of course we have deep questions, but I want to go around first.
Then he will not tell you whether as you are going.
I want to ask a question.
Okay, please. You can talk, you can hear. Or you want to have this?
My name is Fatai. My name is Fatai. I am actually a member of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, graduate membership. I'm actually interested to know the software that you are using for that gas leakage detector. Because personally, I invented such thing, but my own is not to give a text message.
Sorry?
My own is not to give a text message. Just sound alarm. I have the sensor. I put some other device, relay and some other things alarm to give signal whenever there's leakage. Just an indicator light to pop out whenever there's leakage. So I want to know the device you are using or the software you are using so that you can send SMS. Well, that one is even more advanced than the one I'm doing. One is you have to click closer to it. But that SMS will even though you are not around your house. But my own is just to give awareness so that you don't bring fire close to it. So that is my own area of first question. The second question is because in life we have many challenges, and for you to have gone to this stage, I want to know some of the challenges so that we too we are trying to innovate more, want to bring more innovations to the local economy like this, so that we can get from there. So that's my question basically. Maybe after the tour, other people can ask more questions. Thank you very much.
You want to answer the question or you want to answer the question now? Okay. After the two questions, just go around. I think it makes sense.
Thank you very much. Actually, you can use any software that you can use to in programming. But one I use is AVR Studio.
AVRC.
Yes. It's for AVR microcontrollers.
You have the microchip.
Yes.
Okay.
At Mega
Yeah.
At Mega the one on the Arduino, the chip on the Arduino,
Okay.
it's called At Mega. It will manufacture
I
by
know
At
how
Mega.
to ask me also.
That means you're using which language C? So you program it in C language. Okay, I'll throw some light.
I want to ask a question. Is it any number that is registered on that? Because you have to program what the number you want the SMS to come to. So I want to know that. Sorry, I'm technical.
It makes use of AT command. So whichever number you want to send SMS to, you code it inside.